any other drama or comedy during
I did a
your
comedy,
career?
di ba? I had a special participation in both Sister Rakas and My Little Bossings. Pero tinanong ako ni Tita Malu nung Friday that she said na, Chris, do you want to do a drama next year? And I said, Tita Malu, at my core, I am a mother. So kung yung role is to be the mom of Kathniel, to be the mom of Enrique, or to be the mom of Kim Chu, I'd love to do it. Pero kung ilalayo mo ako sa kung ano ako talaga at my core, I don't think I'll be effective.
Ooh, that's so nice of you. And dun sa pwesto ni Vice Ganda, sinabi niya na you're a stage mom daw na nakikialam ka dun sa shooting pati sa mga Chinese lines ni Bindi. Do you agree or would you like to refute that?
No, he's correct.
Wala na.
Ako talaga, umaamin naman talaga ako na stage mother ako talaga. I've only missed sa shooting days niya, 3 lang ang na-miss kong araw. Because those days, nag-shoot ako at today, nandito ako. Pero as much as possible talaga, inayos nila yung schedule that I could be there. So, yes, I really am a stage mother. And yes, nakialam talaga ako.
And how is your experience working with Coco as a co-actor?
He's the best.
Mm.
Tinext ko yun sa kanya. Sabi ko, thank you for sharing your brilliance with me.
Wow.
Hindi ko na kailangan dagdagan. Sobrang galing niya talaga. Hindi yung magaling na nagyayabang dahil ang galing niya, pero yung galing na nagsiseep out from all his pores.
Wow.
Taray ko na. Hindi, talaga. And yung egoless because ganun siya kahusay.
So reaction, Coco, ano yung sasabi mo doon?
Thank you lang. Hindi, like sabi ko nga ako naman sa part ko, syempre bago sa akin to actually first time ko kasi gumawa ng horror movie. And then, ang mindset ko talaga before pa mag-shooting, sabi ko, as an actor, kapag hindi ko kapado ang mga ginagawa ko, nag-gel lang ako sa co-actors ko. Syempre, pag sinabi natin horror movie, si Ate Chris naman ang reyna dyan. Kaya sabi ko nga, pag magka-eksena kami, honestly, tinitignan ko siya. Lalo pag rehearsal pa lang kasi binibigay niya na tinitignan ko kung paano yung atake niya at jumedyan lang ako kung paano niya binibigay yun. Kumbaga sabi ko nga, ang dami ko natututunan. Siyempre like sa horror, pag sa director naman, si Chito Ron. Kaya sabi ko nga po, marami akong natutunan din dito sa pelikula nito. Ayun po.
Ikaw, Chito, how was it working with Coco?
Actually, kasi marami kaming common friends ni Coco way back pa. So, parang alam ko kung saan ang pinaggalingan niya at karamihan ng kasama niya doon talaga magagaling. So, I was prepared. I was not surprised that he was good. Pero nagulat ako kung gaano siya ka-professional sa trabaho. Kasi, bihira, hindi naman bihira, pero mapapansin mo ngayon sa industriya kung ang mga seryosong actor when they're on the set and how they prepare alam mong they're on top of the character, on top of the situation, at alam nila kung kailangan sila, ready sila. So, sa akin talaga, Coco, I really appreciate that. And then that is to say that, of course, you're a good actor, and I cannot say anything like madaling indirect, but it's not as difficult as I thought it would be. And sabihin na natin that not only was my expectation met, but siguro he delivered more from the heart. Kasi you can feel an actor if it comes from the heart. Kasi ang hirap gumawa ng horror talaga. There's that sense of credibility, but at the same time, you have to give it that sense of genre. You cannot give it the same acting as a heavy drama kasi it's a genre movie, honestly. So you always, ang mahirap kasi sa horror is that suspension of belief, that you have to believe na may nangyayaring ganito. Diba? Yan talaga ang secret sa any science fiction or horror movie or even yung mga Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter. It's that fantasy level that you have to make real. And with Coco, well, it's the first time I did a horror na may lalaki talaga. Isa yan sa mga kasi if you recall lahat ng horror ko, puro babae ang face.
Si Ate B, si Claudine.
Yes. Even Vilma, and then si Maricel, diba sa Pinto. Parang puro babae yan. So, before pa ako nag-ambition gumawa ng horror sa lalaki, so maiba. Sabi ko, pero ang lalaki kasi iba rin Ibang matakot, Hindi siya yung tumitig.
Yun, hindi tumitig. Correct!
Magiging iba na yun, no? So, may degree of course, pag American, kasi madali eh. Kasi American, putulin mo lang ang ulo, lipat-lipat lang yung mga effects na gano'n. Okay na sa kanila. Pero sa Pilipino kasi iba ang horror eh. Ang horror talaga sa Pinoy, iba ang base. Hindi siya yung mga lumilipad or ano.
Yeah.
Fantasy sa atin yun eh. Parang kwentong lola. Ang horror talaga sa atin yung sino yung nasa loob ng bahay mo kasama mo. Pero, yun ang nakatakot.
But if ever would you like to direct Coco in the future in a serious drama?
Oo naman, mas madali nga sa akin eh. Kasi nakita ko na kung gaano siya kadaling katrabaho. As a doctor, professionally, mas magaling pa.
Will this be as gory the death scenes as the first one or as...
No, hindi gory yung first one. In fact, kung bibilangin mo, ilan lang pinakita ko namatay.
Yung kay Lot, di ba?
Isa
Oo,
lang.
sa execution, no?
Isa lang, nahulog lang. Umexit lang siya sa bintana, di ba? It's all in the imagination.
So, sa The Healing, marami may
Yun, that's why it's
Ayun
not
natin
our
yun.
version.
decapitations and
Hindi, meron kami dalawang versions, kaya di ba experiment namin yung 2 versions. At nakita mo talaga na mas malakas pa rin yung PG version kaysa sa R.
So, congratulations. I have no doubt that you'll be naman